Happy Friday! Greetings from Puerto Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. And I mean it, this is paradise. As you can see, the ocean is quite high, but very quiet. El Niño cannot be on the ground because dogs are forbidden here. This is the weather. Almost 11 o'clock. 24.5 degrees. Expecting 27 today. Let's see the bird. He's alone here, so it's like paradise for him as well. Lots of fish. Now we can see some waves. Oh. The big one is coming. And another one. The flag is red, but behind the barrier you still can swim if you like to swim.
Good morning from Canary Islands. Hello. Come back here, all of you.
Vincent, we love you, thank you. It's a special guy. I'll show you his garden. He's voluntarily making a garden here. And I call it Vincent's garden. Check this out. Every morning watering, taking care, cleaning. This is Vincent's garden. They should make a statue for him. There's more. And there's more. So have a lovely Friday. Best wishes.